What are investment opportunities and which ones are best? In this article, you will find out what investment opportunities are and which ones are the best. You will learn where to invest in the real estate market. What are investment opportunities? Investment opportunities are substantial profit realization starting from credible and reasonable assumptions, such as real estate investments. That is, benefits are expressed in relative terms and investors measure them according to the investment made and the time it takes to obtain them. Investment opportunity means profitability, that is a financial benefit in the medium or long term. What are the best investment opportunities? The COVID-19 pandemic has produced one of the toughest economic challenges, and the big question, though, is where to invest now. We suggest 3 types of investment. Real estate investment. Investing in real estate is one of the best options since this financial instrument allows you to maintain or increase its value over time. Furthermore, this type of investment is easily accessible and anyone with a good financial health can start with a small investment. Stocks, a good option if you want to obtain quick benefits, but with a higher risk of losing money. They will generate less loss if you leave them for a while, since stocks tend to rise over time. Experts expect stocks to grind higher by year-end. Gold. It is not a new type of investment, but it has become more popular over the years. Investing in gold is almost as safe as real estate, since its value does not tend to decrease. Thinking ahead and investing your money to obtain profit is so essential that anyone should first determine where to invest and how much risk their portfolio can handle. I will show you now the 4 asset classes that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission defines as investments that have similar characteristics. The 3 main asset classes are stocks, bonds, and cash. We may classify them into deposits, by paying a sum of money held at a bank for a certain period of time with the aim of getting it back, plus any accrued interest. This type of investment has a risk, inflation. Thus, your money may lose value. Stocks, by purchasing and selling a company's stock, which is frequently traded on a stock exchange. However, this is not an easy investment method, so finding a consultant is vital. Bonds. To understand how they work, we should determine the difference between stocks and bonds. A shareholder has partial ownership, while a bondholder is the owner. Real estate is, undoubtedly, the best and preferred option, since this type of investment is safer and offers endless opportunities. Despite going through one of the worst economic crises due to COVID-19, real estate has been continuously growing with high investment expectations. Thanks to the know-how acquired by each individual partner over 10 years of experience, World Luxury House RE encompasses all the necessary skills to build and manage prestigious properties. Coronavirus has left one of the biggest crises of the last decades. As a result, many businesses have worked very hard to reinvent themselves in order to re-enter the market. At times like this, knowing where to invest your capital requires knowledge and a margin of safety. This is the reason why investing in properties is a trend that never goes out of style. Property investments protect your finances and money from inflation. There are different types of strategies, such as investing in shopping centers, homes or businesses. Here are the reasons why you should invest in real estate. The increase in property capital gains allows the acquisition of a property and makes it profitable. In times of crisis, when currencies are severely impacted, it helps to retain the value of the currency. As a result, property value usually improves. Owning hereditary assets makes sure your family is protected financially. It is profitable. In general, property taxes are much lower compared to other investments. Secure retirement. It will give you financial freedom by integrating the pension you receive each month with extra income. The value of real estate in the world reached $280.6 trillion, the highest figure ever recorded and an annual increase of 6.2%. Residential property accounted for the largest share, $220.2 trillion, of this huge figure. Commercial real estate, $33.3 trillion, and agricultural and forestry real estate, $27.1 trillion, account for the rest. Real estate is by far the most important store of wealth from any goal when investing in stocks is to generate a significant profit. Here are the 3 best stocks to buy this year. Nvidia Corp exceeded Wall Street's expectaches as the stock price rose considerably. Snap Inc. CLA analysts projected losses, but they recorded the opposite. Square Inc. CLA. This stock has a P/E of 97, thanks to its earnings performance. Investing in startups. The definition of startup depends on various factors. It can be a company founded to develop a new product, service or a business aiming to solve a problem. But you should bear in mind that the risk of loss is high. That is, startups are relatively new companies that are prone to failure due to a lack of experience in marketing, management, etc. The amount invested might be locked up for 3 to 5 years, so your investment will likely take years to materialize. Hence, it will take time to find out whether your investment was successful or not. Investment opportunities in the real estate market. Real property is still the most attractive investment that allows you to earn a monthly income, also taking into account that interest rates are lower compared to other types of investments. However, choosing the best places to invest your money in this industry is a priority. The Caribbean is one of the areas where you will definitely have profits because of the increase in tourist numbers. The Dominican Republic, which has experienced political stability for more than 40 years, is among the top countries for investing. The constant development of infrastructure and the modernization process allow connections through the island. Tourism is the country's leading industry, with a significant share of the total national GDP. The Dominican Republic offers excellent investment opportunities. Investing in residential property is a great investment opportunity. WLHRE proposes 2 types of return, 5% fixed rate, variable rate up to 7%. World Luxury House RE is a project developed by WLH, which accounts for dozens of real estate operations in Italy, the Dominican Republic, and Panama. World Luxury House RE has built more than 400 apartments in the Dominican Republic. How to invest in the Dominican Republic. As I have mentioned throughout the text, the Dominican Republic is considered one of the best Latin countries for successful investing. Why? Its geographic location, in the heart of the Caribbean, attracts new businesses, as it serves as a strategic link to America and the rest of the world. Investing in the real estate sector in this country is an excellent decision, since it has one of the most stable economies in Latin America. Tourism is the country's leading industry, with a significant share of the total national GDP. Due to a lower tax burden than many European countries and a wider tax incentive scheme, the Dominican Republic offers excellent investment opportunities in several economic sectors. The United Nations report, Foreign Direct Investment in the Dominican Republic and its Impact on the Competitiveness of its Exports states that the Dominican Republic is among the main recipients of FDI in the Caribbean. Various horizontal factors, such as political stability, economic growth, structural reforms, and sectoral determinants, are linked to the investment opportunities. Identifying how to generate income does not only concern entrepreneurs. You can even do it. You just have to measure the degree of risk and choose the best option. Therefore, I will share some tips to help you make the best investment decision, learn more about investment criteria and how they can be successful in securing future returns. Assess risk tolerance, calculate the degree of risk and how much of an investment loss you can bear. Investigate new successful investment methods, be ready to grasp new opportunities. With this in mind, investing in real estate represents the best refuge for your money. This type of investment generates tangible value, a form of savings that can flow from one generation to another. Even crises create investment opportunities, since returns could outperform inflation in a short time. Investing in the real estate sector is undoubtedly one of the options to improve financial returns. What is the Markowitz model? This model was introduced as most investors wanted to maximize their return on investments at a lower risk level. Hence, the Markowitz model became a theoretical framework for analysis of risk and return, and interrelationships. Harry M. Markowitz created this model using statistical analysis to measure risk and select the most efficient portfolio. He made it clear that the quality of a portfolio will be different from the quality of individual assets within it. This model is based on the following assumptions. The index return of a portfolio is considered a random variable, and therefore, investors estimate a probability distribution for a given period. The standard deviation, variance, makes it much simpler to measure dispersion, a method of determining the risk of profit. Random variables, investors' emotional behavior. You have learned the importance of investing and also the best choice, real estate. We can draw the following conclusions from this text. Investment opportunities create a substantial profit based on credible and reasonable assumptions. Real estate is one of the best options since this financial instrument helps maintain or increase property value over time. Investing in real estate in the Dominican Republic is an excellent decision, since it has one of the most stable economies in Latin America. The Markowitz model is a theoretical framework for the analysis of risk, return, and interrelationships.